Hey, Jake.
Hey Nessie.
What do you want, Jake?
Rena's me Carly Cullen, will you marry me?
Of course I will, Jake.
I love you, Nessie.
X few years later has a baby boy after Jake gets her knocked up and leave X.
X visits Rena's me after a few years. X, hey Nessie, who is that boy?
My son. Well, our son. You knocked me up and left. His name is Jake Black.
Oh, hi Jake. I'm your dad. Sorry I haven't been a father to you.
Hi Dad. It's okay. Mom, I'm gonna go see Grandpa Edward. X leaves X.
X kisses Jake and X a few hours later. X throws up in toilet X.
X comes in bathroom. X, you okay honey?
Yes, I'm gonna go to the hospital. X leaves X.
What is wrong, Rena's me?
I think I'm pregnant.
Let's see. X takes ultrasound. X, congratulations. You are gonna have a baby girl.
X calls Jake. X, hey, come to the hospital. I have good news. Room 213, okay. Bye. X hangs up X.
X walks in. X, hey, what is it, Nessie?
Yeah, what is wrong, Mom?
I'm pregnant. You're gonna have a little sister.
Oh, that is wonderful news, Nessie.
X lays down on bed and falls asleep. X
Look for baby girl clothes. X 4.5 weeks and 2 hours later. X waits for doctor to bring Karen back. X.
Hey, I got your text. Where is Karen?